I'm actually going to talk about what Ed's discussing here is where we have the ability to communicate with the customer or your agents in the field, for example, or your manufacturing company. But if we had, for example, a damaged engine that they've been received by the customer and they wanted to prove to you that there's damage there, they could send a picture and share. We do screen share, file share, screen share, imagery sharing as well. But if you want to do a live video to that customer, you could do that. So what I'm showing on my screen here is a thing called Solgari Connect, which is something that's normally embedded in your website. It's just a little iframe. It's embedded in your website, allows you to chat to your agents through queues. You can do audio calling and you can do video calling, and you can choose which one you want to elevate between. So it's really nice. It's not a chatbot, similar to it, but it's not a chatbot engine. It's really about giving the customer 3 different mediums of communication without them having to install any software on the machine or their mobile phones or anything like that. They just go to a site. But vice versa, I don't know if anyone's had maybe their mobile phone provider at one point call up, having a chat with you, and then they want you to join. You're signing a new contract over the phone, so they send you a link to join them on a quick chat, which you can go to a video and that kind of stuff. That's kind of what this is. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to grab this link, everyone. So I'm just going to pop it into, just bear with me because I wasn't prepared for this. There we go, that's what I wanted. I'm just going to go into our live sales hub because that's what my Connect is linked to. I'm losing the sales hub now. This is way too many things on my screen. Here we go. Cool. So let me show you how this works. Again, we got a little bit of time here, so it's nice that we can just fill in the blanks here a little bit to how else could you utilize the solution, in the same use case as well. So again, we're talking about someone reaching back out to a customer to say, can you mind just showing us, the issue that you've been mentioning. So I'm just going to do a manual SMS for a second, like so. Because you see in the automated SMS, we can obviously do the manual, the agent themselves. And when they hit the SMS button, it gives me the ability to then send a text to the customer. But with that link, this is unique to me as an agent. You could have this at the end you see 5ZB7II. That is actually a unique identifier or a DDI against the agent for their Connect token using WebRTC technology. So not to go into too techy about it, but it's just so you understand that they're unique URLs. So this is just for me. So if I want to then reach out to the customer, I go back to my sales hub, which is this one, sorry. I'm going to paste that link in like so. And if my mobile phone's still up and running here, let me just connect that again. You'll see this has actually come through onto my mobile, which is awesome. All right. Okay, here we go. Let me just move my mobile over here again. There we go. That's a very big mobile. A bit smaller, perfect. Okay, cool. So again, I just want to show you what's happened there. The text messages come in, and there's my 2 orders I had earlier. Awesome. There's also the Connect link. Now, this is the customer on their mobile at the warehouse or shop, for example. And they're breaking it up, basically open up this link. And what they can do is they could start a chat conversation straight from here with the agent, and we could query some stuff to get that, pop in the stream if we wanted to. This is just basic raw form. Hi, you're speaking with Ben. Okay, now the customer would say, can I show you my engine? Message back. Okay, so this is just going back and forth. All of this can be logged back into the CRM, by the way, everyone. So if I opened up a contact record and I want to log this communication to see that there has been that contact with the customer in the field, then I can do that as well. But this is just text. Now the next part is really for the customer to be able to elevate up to a video chat or a voice chat. So if I just hit this, I'm just going to put my video on here. Not all agents will be handling video calls within the business, but if they are, I recommend you turn your video on. That'd be helpful. Then the inbound call is going to come in like so. And it looks like a voice call at first, funnily enough. Like so. And you'll see me in a second, everyone. There we go. I'm going to answer that. And then I'm going to switch the video. So I'm going to broken. There's a broken Mac. So you can see the screen. So imagine that was an engine in this use case. So off on mute, okay. And the benefit of that, everyone, is you could have that video conversation with the customer. You could get that information. Then we can take that information and save it into Dynamics 365. Okay, so we're doing at the moment is actually exposing videos for two clients that we've got on that we're bringing on board at the moment, and they both want us to be able to record the video, but also try and capture that. We'll expose that into two areas. One's the Solgari console, which is your online management tenancy or portal. I'm sure everyone here has had a phone system or worked with a phone system in a business before. You always have some kind of online portal that you can go to if it's a web-based phone system or communication platform. So that's what I mean by that. So you'd have an area where you get the video in there, and then we'll eventually be exposing those videos like a phone call or a text message into the timeline of each record as well.